Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Narisa Farhana binti Saruddin. My matrix number is 1004. So today I'm going to explain about section 9, requirement for labeling of food. The package must containing all the particulars required by regulation to be contained on the label and does not contain anything that is prohibited by regulation from appearing on a label, and containing any particulars that are not in the position or manner required by regulation in the respect of the label. So this is example for labeling packaging. They have a brand, name of the food, name, content, date marking, description and instruction, barcode, nutrition facts, ingredient list, and manufacturer information. Next, I will explain about section 10, language to be used. For the food that produced, prepared, or packaged in Malaysia can be used in Bahasa Malaysia, and the food that import can be used in Bahasa Malaysia or English.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharifah Nur Al-Wahidah binti Saumar Jamalulai. My matric number 1022. Today I will explain about section 11, which is particular in labeling. First, name, description of the food containing with the common name. Example contained in capital bold face lettering of a non-serif character not smaller than 6 points. Food contains edible fats or edible oil should be named with a common name or animal or vegetable and from which it derives. Every package containing food that provided in these regulations on the label containing the following particulars in appropriate designation of description about the product, such as its ingredients and nutritional values, health and safety warnings, instruction for use, manufacturer or supplier details, contact information and product information in a barcode format. Example, the word of mixed or blended, provided that the word should not be conjoined with the appropriate designation of any mixed or the blended food which does not comply with the standard prescribed by these regulations. Second, the statement required by paragraph C and D of subregulation 1 should appear immediately below the appropriate designation of food. Examples, the words contains, the state whether beef or pork is derivative or less. Second, contains alcohol in capital bold-face lettering of a non-serif character not smaller than 6 points. Third, for the purpose of paragraph E and G of subregulation 1, where the ingredients of the food or the food additive added to such food are derived from the animal, the common name such animal should also be stated on the label of that food. Where the food consists of 2 or more ingredients other than water, food additive and nutrient supplement, the appropriate designation of each of those ingredients in deciding others or proportion by weight and wherever required by these regulations, the declaration of the proportion of such ingredient. Lastly, for the purpose of the paragraph J of subregulation 1, example, food locally manufactured or packed, the name and business address of the manufacturer or packer, have the owner of the right of manufacture or packing, the agent, any of them. For imported food, they have name and business address of manufacturer or packer or the owner of the right of manufacture or packing, the agent, any of them. The difference between food locally and imported food is the name and business address of the imported in Malaysia and the name of the country of origin of the food. That's all.
Hi, my name is Siti Nawazina binti Ahmad Zainal. My matrix number 1016. I will explain about section 12, which is from a manner of labeling. There have 7. First, conspicuously and prominently in the label. Second, the lettering shall be prominent in height, visual, emphasis, and position. Third, the name should be written in no smaller than 10 points letter. Next, for the nutrition information, address or ingredients, not smaller than 4 points letter. Fifth, shall be legibly and durably marked. Then, a label firmly placed inside a package. If package is transparent or no direct contact with the label. And last, no label shall appear on the extra wrapper of any food. So that's all from us. Hope you guys understand and enjoy our video.